Welcome to a highly anticipated episode of Unbox and Review. Today we have a revolutionary product that's about to change the way you charge your devices. The Kuxiu X40 3-in-1 Foldable Magnetic Wireless Charger and stand. So get ready to witness the future of wireless charging. This foldable charger comes with a lot of features, but most importantly, you can charge your Apple Watch, AirPods and iPhone at the same time. As it has up to 22 watt support for charging your phone, we will test the speed of the charging as well in this video. 3 watt support for Apple Watches and 5 watt support for AirPod, which seems really interesting. By looking at the features and the price, it's totally worth it because it will save you from loads of hassle and you wouldn't need to carry lots of charger and cable at your office or while traveling. So ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the sleek packaging of this 3-in-1 foldable charger. This compact box holds the key to a world of convenience and innovation. As you can see, they have worked a lot on the packaging just to deliver the product safe and sound. Inside the box we have this Type-C to Type-C cable, and here comes the Kuxiu X40 magsafe wireless charger. You can just call it 3-in-1 magsafe charger because we have 3 charging pads on this stand. As you can see, on the bottom section you can just keep AirPods to charge, and on the first floor we have charging pad for Apple Watches, and on the top we have magsafe for charging your iPhone and Android as well. The best thing which I really like about this charger is it's very small. You can easily carry this in your pocket or wallet as it's very light weighted as well. At the bottom of this charging stand, it has a silicone rubber pad, so on any kind of surface it just wouldn't move. They have just worked very well on the build quality as everything is just perfect. They have even drawn AirPods shape on the pad, so you should know where to keep your AirPods for charging, and you can just flip open this watch magnetic charging pack, and if you don't want it, you can just flip it down. Now let's check the magnet, how strong it is. I'm just keeping my iPhone 13 Pro Max on the top of this, and okay, it's quite impressive because it's very strong. I'm shaking my iPhone very fast, but it's not even moving. So this is really amazing. You can actually rotate it, and even you can keep your iPhone on horizontal position if you are watching movies or something while charging your phone, so you can easily adjust the angle as well. Now let's check how does it perform. So first connect the cable to this charging stand, and you need a Type-C adapter as well. It can be any, but I will recommend you to use genuine adapter so you can charge your devices more efficiently. After connecting the cable, just keep your devices on its own pads, and as you can see, it has charging our devices. And finally we have get rid of 3 chargers. Thanks to Kuxiu, we really needed this. Now coming to the most important part of the video is that how much time will it take to charge your iPhone or Android from 0 to 80%. So let's have a look into the speed of this 3-in-1 charging pad. Let's give it some time and I will be right back. So we are back in 15 minutes. It has charged 13 Pro Max from 0 to 10%, which isn't bad. Usually the MagSafe takes around 2 hours to charge iPhone from 0 to 100%, and same goes for it. It will also take around 2 hours, same as Apple genuine MagSafe. So after checking and reviewing this product, let me tell you 3 things about the Kuxiu X40 just to let you know why you should buy this. So first one is that this product is made with aluminum alloy, so it's very lightweighted with amazing build quality. Secondly, the whole body also works as a heat sink, which will help you to dissipate heat very efficiently while charging your devices at the same time. Thirdly, this charger stand offers really stable output. You will never find out any bump or drop. If it starts charging your iPhone or other devices at 50 watt, it will be increasing up to the point what your device accepts, which is quite safe for any device. So these were some of the best features which I really like about this charger. In my opinion, it's totally worth buying if you are Apple fan and looking for charger that can charge your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods at the same time with good charging speed, then the Kuxiu X40 is the right choice for you. You can order the Kuxiu X40 from the link which I have given in the description down below. Also let me know if you guys have got any question in your mind regarding this product. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.